Introduce cutting technology with the IBON gantry style intelligent typesetting and cutting system AI powered for unparalleled precision, speed, and simplicity. 1. Our one-click split takes care of everything with a single tap. It auto-marks your cut and punch lines, then sorts and sequences your pieces by size instantly. No more manual setup. 2. AI intelligent typesetting drives our projection simulation, letting you preview every cut right on screen before you touch the material, so you catch any mistakes before they ever happen. 3. There's super nesting. In just 2 minutes, you can nest 50 meters of material and load it straight into the system. That's huge time savings and maximized yield. 4. Visual align cutting uses a high-def camera to capture your printed contours and smart algorithms to autocorrect position, delivering flawless cuts every single time. IBON's cutting machine OS precision, efficiency, simplicity. Transform your production.